Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? You see what my Georgia Bloom is sitting in? Oh, look at this black leather chair. Oh my goodness. So I attended an online event at Dolls Rescued. It was the St. Patty's Day Bash, and it was on March 8th. And if you haven't gone by and checked out dollsrescue.com, I would suggest that you do it. They have a lot of great videos and they do a lot of fun things. Anyway, they're doing this or they did this online event on March 8th, and it was the St. Patty's Day Bash. And one of the crafts was making a chair for a Barbie, but this is all 1/6, so it's Barbie, Blythe, Rainbow High, yada, yada, yada. And I just put my Georgia Peach, or one of my Georgia Peaches, or Georgia Bloom, in the chair to take the pictures to upload it, because if I took some photos with my Barbie, it might be recognized that it was mine. So I stuck it all. I don't think I've ever shown, at least like this, in the video. And I hope you go check it out. There's a video from Joanie on there, Joanie's doll photography, on how to make this little chair. She's got the material requirements, everything. This is my first attempt, not perfect, but I love it, and I think my dolls are going to have some new furniture. Anyway, I hope you guys swing by and check it out, and thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later. Bye.